Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to defend Zalissya in Stalker 2. Zalissya is one of the most challenging areas to defend in Stalker 2. But with the right strategy, you can hold your ground and come out on top. Here's a quick guide to surviving and thriving in this dangerous zone. First, preparation is key. Scout the area for choke points and high ground. Stock upon medkits, ammo, and traps. Don't forget to upgrade your weapons for better damage output, as it is a war zone out there. You'll face bandits, mutants, or even both. Use cover and pick off heavily armed enemies first. For mutants, grenades and shotguns are your best friends. Stay mobile and never let them swarm you. Set up your defense at choke points and use high ground to gain the upper hand. Block pathways with grenades or molotovs to control the flow of attackers. If you're defending with NPC allies, work together to hold key positions. Or if you want to, you can go ahead and follow these set of instructions right here from Reddit. Don't worry, I'll leave this one in the description. For this, you will need to download a mod called the UE tools. Alright, you can just go ahead and follow the instructions right here. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps them. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.